welcome to my channel. What I'm making today is ribeye in a sous vide. Okay, it's also a very simple recipe. You need just a couple herbs, salt, and the steak, and of course you need the sous vide. I hope you have it. I hope you try it because it's pretty good. Let's go to the step by step. Okay, I bought this at Costco. They are kind of like an expensive piece of meat. So this is gonna be wonderful. Okay, I already put salt, rock salt, okay, in each one of them. And now I'm gonna put garlic in one, rosemary in another, and thyme on the other one. I wanna see which one comes out better. And now thyme on the last one. Please go away. There you go. Put it inside. Put the air out of these babies. Now we have the steaks to put in the sous vide. Okay, that's simple. After 2 hours, this steak is ready to be sealed and eaten. Let's go to the next step. Okay, guys, I'm back. My sous vide is ready. Let me show you. You have to fill up. I bought a container that I thought was small, but when I got it, it's 18 liters, so it's huge. I did it because I like putting a turkey in here. It cooks the meat in temperature, and I put it 133 for medium steaks. Okay, I season and I put it in a vacuum pack, and now you just drop that in. I'll put one on each corner. And in an hour, I'm gonna have a medium steak ready to be sealed. You need to seal it because it's kind of like blah, okay? Come back soon in an hour with the result. They don't make that much noise. They're very quiet. And what good is that you can keep your food in the same temperature until your guest arrives. And then you just need to seal and serve. This is a fantastic invention. Our steak is ready. I'm just gonna take it out. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna open the bags and just take out the liquid out. Mostra só o bag, okay? Pat dry this. So day after day, shine, 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 blue skies. This one I'm ready. Come with me. Ready for this? There we go. And this is pretty much done. Okay, now is the time to cut the beef. Let me try. This one is garlic. God. Não está muito salgado. It's perfect. Very tender and juicy. This one is the rosemary. Let me see if it's better than the garlic. The herbs comes out like a little bit different. It's delicious. It's good too. And this is just salt and pepper, right? My God. It's amazing. Wow. They're all good. But if I had to pick one, I think I would stay with the rosemary. Delicious. Sous vide is the best way to go. Do a like if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to see more content. And I'll see you the next time. Bye.
Oh, you're right. That's, which one's that? Rosemary? I agree. I think that's the best.
Okay.
Cheers.